Hi everyone, let's analyze Cybertech Systems. It's a microcap ITITES company. It's a monthly chart. So if you see this stock has a all-time high of around 670 or so. There is this gap, and then in 2000, that's the dot-com crash. So for a lot of you guys have not seen a real bear market as of now. So you are you have not seen market mayhem. So just see this stock crashed from 500 to straight up. So basically this is not the exact way that it happened. It slowly crashed, but it went from 500 to 8 rupees. So yes. So all the new guys who have been trading since say after 2010-11 have not really seen a bear market, and it will come sometime or the other in the future, and if you're not careful it's going to take you down. So yeah, so as of now all hunky dory, all good. Let's analyze this stock. uh, it's up 129% or so. It is up from the COVID low. It's up 700%. Massive. Okay. It's a micro cap company, so you have to be very careful with these stocks. They can go up and then they can just continuously go down also, because of low liquidity. So, so 50, 100,000 shares trading, you know, on a day-to-day basis. So what's the average shares is 225,000 shares. So 225 into 140, that's 220. I'm sorry, my bad. 225,000 into 140. 3 crores worth of average volume. So we have to divide that by 2 because that's buy and sell. So the actual volume is worth 1.5 crores in this company. So pretty decent. Now, what's the trade analysis? So um, 50 is gone sideways, 200 days trending up. I would have wanted it to see, close to the 200 day, and then it would have made a safer bet, but it's all right. uh, Fundamentally there are some good numbers, so it's looking good from that front. So what's good here, see, if you see all the updates are on extremely high volume, downloads on extremely low volume, so that is very encouraging. And then it popped from here, and then it came back in. So I'm buying at these levels. This is the level that I'm buying at, between 140, 134 and 145. This is the level that I'm buying at. 50 has started turning upwards. And what is my stop loss going to be? So my stop loss is going to be 15%, 15 to 16%. If it trades below the 50, very high volume on a week or 2 weeks continuously basis, I'll be out. Now, what do I want to see? What I want to see is this. After, see, this is the whole volatility. But now, what I want to see is up days on higher volume and low days on down days on lower volume. So this is what I want to see going forward. What can happen? This can continue to, if you see this, there is supply here, there is sort of supply here. So my guess is that it should consolidate within this range further, for the next few days, because there's huge supply here. This stock, it closed 18% lower on volume, which is 400% higher than the average volume. So that's about it. But on if we see this on a weekly basis, it's not bad. It's not bad. So let's see how the consolidation happens. We'll have to wait and watch. We'll have ample amount of time to move out, so it's not like it's just going to break down and go here. It can happen. The possibility of anything, we cannot rule out the possibility of anything happening in the market, but as of now it doesn't look that that bad overall market scenario, and ITIT is doing well. So yeah, so this is I'll be buying between this level, and stop loss if it closes below this on a weekly basis. So I think if it consolidates further, this 200-day will move up and catch up. 50 will further go up and catch up. So that will be very encouraging. So, see, promoters are not holding enough stock. So, chances are that, it goes up and then it quickly comes back in. So, see, this is what I'm talking about. The stock went up from this base, it went up by 100%. But then it quickly came in and you were only left with 25, 30% profit. So this is going to be the problem with stocks where promoters are not holding or DIs, FIs are not there. So you have to be quick. They have decent amount of cash flow and not much loan. They have some investments here, so that is good. Uh, what do we have here on a profit and loss? If you see, sales have been continuously rising, very encouraging, and profits have risen too. And profit is at highest. Profit has almost doubled from the previous 2 years. Very good. Margins have also become better. Quarter on quarter, the results are good. Sales have not gone up much, but since their margins have become better, So again, we are not doing any in-depth analysis on this. We want to do a short-term trade. So overall, for a short-term trade, this looks great. For a micro cap, for a micro cap, it looks good for now. Yep. So that's it, guys. Thank you.